Whoa, what's up, beautiful people? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is your boy David live from IFX this morning again. I told you guys yesterday in the midnight that the market is definitely going to get to this place, that it might reverse in the morning. But look at it, I have another prediction for 1.9046, which is now going on. You understand? So, this to me is a sweet, sweet Christmas. Just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. This is the beauty of the Forex market. When you trade and the market goes your direction, not just as forecasted, but as calculated, as not prediction, it is as calculated and as forecasted. You understand? But now the market is going our direction. Just look at it. I was thinking it's going to take like a day or two before the market gets to this point, but look at it already. I was just looking at it that maybe the market would go up a little bit and it would take maybe the next day to build another candle up. But I clearly told you people concerning Euro USD that this market is going up, that it is possible for USD to fight it in the morning and come down. But let me tell you one thing, when I saw this market around 4 a.m. this morning, when I saw it, it was about to hit my take profit point. So I have to like recalculate and readjust the market, take my take profit a little bit up, and put my stop loss, just adjust the thing. And I was able to do it. But this is really sweet. Just look at it. Look at the beauty of it. You understand? Many people just look at it and wonder that what really makes USD, what really drove down the strength between USD. USD has been showing the weakness. During the beginning of this week, like let's say last weekend and this week, and the beginning of this week, USD was showing some momentum, that he has some strength. You understand? And I said it that there are some resistance that USD cannot, that I believe that should USD beat it, it will go down more. But right now, I made a forecast and I said it according to prediction that there are some markets that I'm seeing USD that is showing weakness. But right now, according to price action, according to the study of the chart, as well, the US dollar has proved how weakened it is. And this is what we're seeing. This is beautiful. One thing about the Forex market is that when you're making the real green piece, man, you just be happy. You just be happy. It's not about the money right now. Oh, sorry, it's about the money. But when you look at it, when you look at it and things are going your way, man, this looks so goddamn fantastic. You get it? But you know what's beautiful? You know what's more beautiful? What's more beautiful is that, do you know that only one candlestick can turn you into a billionaire? Just only one candlestick can turn you into a billionaire. Look at this very candlestick now. This is a daily chart. I don't use this broker to trade. Just like I said, this is a live account, but I don't use this very broker to trade for some reason, but here's what it is. Look at it. The market is going this direction. It's so beautiful. I'm using another broker to trade, so don't think I'm not inside this market. I'm just forecasting. I am in this market, but as I forecasted, you get it, as the price action led me, as it shows me, and other things that I used to like analyze the market experience and all that. You understand? So right now the US dollar is really fucked up. I've not checked Great Britain pound USD. I've not checked Canadian dollar USD, but I'm definitely going to do videos about those as well. But right now, from what I can see here, chitty chitty bang bang green, you understand, US dollar is really fucked up right now, and Great Britain, Euro is really taking advantage of this. US dollar is trying to fight the market, but the euro is showing many bigger strength. You get it? Because this is a breakout. This is a clear uptrend. You understand? It's a very clear uptrend. Look at where I put my take profit before. You get it? When I saw around 4 a.m. that the market is going to that point, I have to readjust my take profit, to this place, and it will never count me out right now. You get it? So this is my new take profit now, which is definitely sure. You know what? I'll definitely bring it down. Let me just bring it out a little bit and bring it to this top of this chart. You get it? Then I'll put another buy stop. Because this candle is madly skyrocketing. This candle, this very single candle that opened today, has really shown how weak the US dollar is. You get it? So this is sweet. Honestly, baby, guys, this is really sweet. You get it? This is really, really, really sweet. Honestly, this is sweet. You get it? So, let's just do some little baby magic trick right here. Let's put a take profit here because I'm definitely going to do that. You get it? So put a take profit here, right now, for now at least. So we put a take profit right now at 1.188, 1.1889.6. You get it? So this is my new take profit now. When it hits this point, I'm going to go to my other chart and adjust it. Let me just adjust it now, please. Sorry, please just give me some minutes. Wow, you can imagine what's making me laugh, man. $1.1889. Yeah, but yeah, done. So here's my point. This is really fucking beautiful. Honestly, this is beautiful. You get it? So to me, to all y'all fellow traders, I wish you well. I wish you, trading good, trading sweet, making money. It's a very, very good thing, baby. It's a really very good thing. You understand? So guys, please like, share, subscribe. I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe on my channel so we could enjoy each other, sharing ideas and trading the market, enjoying the market forecast and all that. So thanks very much everyone. I really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, just like I said, or add me in any one of my social media pages. I really appreciate it. So everyone, for now, let's just keep enjoying the chitty bang green of the market. So thanks everyone. Trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. Have a good one. Thanks everyone for watching my daily forecast forex trading video. I really appreciate it. Please, if you feel like asking me any question, please drop it on any of my social media pages and I'll definitely get back to you. If the question is so pressing, please, you could give me a call on Skype any day, anytime at IFX. I'll definitely pick up your call and we'll talk it through. Please, I'll definitely appreciate it if you could add me on any of my social media pages, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, and I'll definitely appreciate it. Thanks everyone. Have a